Let's face it, running a home service business is a constant battle. You're juggling estimates, scheduling appointments, dispatching technicians, managing inventory, the list goes on. That's why so many turn to software solutions like ServiceTitan. It streamlines operations, boosts efficiency, and gets you back to what matters, serving your customers. But here's the thing. Is ServiceTitan the only game in town? For many businesses, the answer is a resounding no. While ServiceTitan is a powerful tool, it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. Maybe you find the pricing a bit steep, the interface a little clunky, or maybe it just doesn't quite cater to your specific needs. So what are your options? If you're feeling the squeeze with ServiceTitan, there are several strong contenders waiting to transform your business. But before we dive into the alternatives, let's take a quick beat and understand why ServiceTitan might not be your perfect match. Common ServiceTitan gripes. Price tag punch. ServiceTitan can be a hefty investment, especially for smaller businesses. The tiered pricing structure might not always offer the features you need at a cost that fits your budget. Learning curve cliff. ServiceTitan boasts a comprehensive set of features, but that also means there's a lot to learn. New users may find the interface overwhelming, leading to frustration and wasted time. Customization conundrum. ServiceTitan is built for a broad range of home service businesses, but that can also mean it lacks the specific features you need for your unique trade. These are just a few of the reasons why some businesses find themselves searching for greener pastures. The good news? There are excellent alternatives out there, each with its own strengths and focus areas. The contenders. Unveiling ServiceTitan alternatives. Now, let's get down to business. Here are some of the top contenders to consider when looking for a ServiceTitan alternative. Jobber. This user-friendly platform is a great option for businesses that value simplicity and affordability. Jobber boasts a clean interface, intuitive features, and a focus on core functionalities like scheduling, invoicing, and job management. It's perfect for smaller businesses or those just starting out. FieldPulse. This cloud-based solution is known for its robust features and powerful reporting tools. FieldPulse caters to a wider range of trades than Jobber and offers in-depth analytics to help you optimize your operations. HouseCall Pro, a strong competitor with a focus on customer experience. HouseCall Pro offers online booking, automated appointment reminders, and even integrates with marketing tools. This makes it a great choice for businesses that prioritize a seamless customer journey. Xero. This accounting software integrates seamlessly with several field service management platforms and offers powerful financial tools. If you're looking for a solution that goes beyond job management and integrates tightly with your accounting, Xero is worth considering. Remember, the best alternative depends on your specific needs and budget. Consider the size and complexity of your business, the features you find most crucial, and of course, your budget. Here are some tips to help you choose the right ServiceTitan alternative. Identify your must-haves. Make a list of the features that are absolutely essential for your business operations. This will help you narrow down the options and avoid getting caught up in fancy bells and whistles. Free trials are your friend. Most software providers offer free trials. Take advantage of these to test drive different platforms and see which one feels most intuitive and efficient for your team. Read reviews and check demos. Don't underestimate the power of online reviews and demos. See what other businesses in your industry are saying about different software options. Demos are a fantastic way to get a hands-on feel for the platform and ask specific questions. ServiceTitan is a powerful tool, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If you're feeling the squeeze, don't be afraid to explore other options. There are fantastic ServiceTitan alternatives out there, each designed to streamline your operations and take your business to the next level. With a little research and some smart trial runs, you'll find the perfect software partner to propel your home service business towards success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.